What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I am tired. Not that y'all care, but I'm tired. But anyway, we're back down to a place I've been to before. It's just a new pond. I haven't been to this pond. I would tell you, this pond, the water in this pond is insanely clear. Like, it is actually insane. But my buddy told me that this pond isn't good, but the other pond in this location is way better. I don't know. I've never tried this one, so I figured I'd give it a try. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, so before I show these clips of me fishing today, or in this video, I just want to put a quick disclaimer in there, like, why is fishing so hard? And I'm even asking that question sometimes too. It's like, I don't know why it's so hard, but I just want to put this out there, because this video is going to end up being something along the lines of why is fishing so hard right now, or what's going on with the fishing right now, or why is it difficult. It's in that time of year where it's like every day it reaches a high of in the hundreds. And these ponds, since they're so shallow and they're just sitting here baking in the heat all day long, every day for 4 or 5 months out of the year with summertime, and with that, these ponds just get so hot and the waters are in the 70s, sometimes even low 80s, depending on what pond you're fishing. And with that, I want to apologize that every video I've done so far on fishing on my channel that has involved me fishing, I just want to apologize that it's all been kind of boring and I haven't really caught much, but it's just because we're just in a hard time of year. I'm gonna stop blabbing and we'll get into the clips. Just wanted to apologize and just say that I'm sorry, but we're just in a hard time of year right now. Hopefully fall turnover will come sooner than later and we'll get back to some good topwater catches. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Hope y'all enjoy it, and if y'all do, hit that like and subscribe button. So, alright, yeah. That's kind of the way bass fishing is in general, though. Bass fishing in general, like, some days are good, some days are bad. Some days are just kind of in between. I shouldn't be keeping him out of the water that long, though. I kept him out of the water a little too long, I think. I don't think he'll die. I think we kept him out of the water a little too long there. There you go, first fish of the day. Look at that. Saw one, so he's all solid polypound. Alright y'all, hope you enjoyed that video. I kind of realized I forgot to film an outro. As you can see, I'm here now editing the video, literally almost done editing, and I realized, oh, I don't have an outro. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. If y'all did, hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, I'll see y'all next time.